In this video, I will show you how to master Replicate AI so you can run powerful machine learning models without needing a supercomputer of your own. To get started, you will first need to create an account on their website. I recommend signing up with your GitHub account since it keeps your projects organized and makes the integration process much smoother later on. Once you are logged in, you will land on the Explore page, where you can find everything from image generation and text-to-speech down to complex video editing tools. Let's say you want to generate a high-quality image. You can simply search for a popular model like Stable Diffusion. When you click on a model, you will see a simple interface where you enter your prompt. Just type in what you want to see and hit the Run button. Within seconds, the cloud servers do all the heavy lifting and your result appears on the screen. If you are a developer, Replicate provides a clean API that allows you to integrate these features directly into your own applications using Python or JavaScript. You just need to grab your API token from your settings page and you are ready to build. Remember that while there is a free tier for testing, you only pay for the actual compute time.